I'm going to tell you how to make a data tracker using a Google spreadsheet. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go to your Google Drive and you're going to click on New. Once you click on New, you will have to scroll down to Google Sheets. You click on Google Sheets and you're going to plug in whatever goals you're using. So I'm going to plug in Geometry 1, Geometry 2, and Geometry 3. At the top, you're going to put whatever you use to assess. Here I'm going to put Quiz 1, and I usually like to have two kinds of assessments, so I'm going to put Quiz 2. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to select which squares you want to be conditional formatted. You can see how I just dragged it down and then I dragged it over. You're going to go to the top and you're going to go click on Format, scroll down to Conditional Formatting, and you will see more information pops over on the right hand side of your screen. I'm going to change, it says format cells if cell is not empty. Well, we want to plug in greater than or equal to, and then 80 is what I use to turn it green. Then I need to add a new rule. I go ahead and use my red one here because it's a little bit easier than the yellow. So we're going to go plug here if it is equal to or less than, and we're going to put 60 here and click done, and then we're going to add another rule, and this one we're going to turn it yellow, so we're just going to change the color here, and we need this one between, so we're going to go scroll down to where it says is between, and then we're just going to put 61 to 79. Then we hit done. So you can see over to the side, these are the scores that are going to be green, anything greater or equal to 80. The scores that are going to turn red are less than 60. And the scores that are in between 61 and 79 will turn yellow. And you can use whatever you want for those. Those are just typically what I use. So once you go back to your spreadsheet, if this person scores a 90, it will turn it green. If the person scores a 56, it will turn it red. And if a person scores in between there, like a 76, it will turn it yellow. Okay, I hope that you learned how to use a Google spreadsheet, and I hope that your students will be able to track their data and be able to see what their weak areas are and work to improve them.